So good day guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how you can create a dollar card, create a domiciliary account, either a dollar account, a pounds account or euro account. That's what I'll be teaching you in this video. So to get started, you have to click the link in the description of this video. Or you can also use the link at the top part there. Yeah, that's Geegpay.africa. Yeah, you can search that link. So once you click on the sign up part now, which I'm going to click on now, that is the sign up part. So once you click on the sign up part, it's going to take you to this page. This page will ask you to fill your details, your name, your email, your password. You should confirm your password and the referral code. Note that if you use, okay, I'm going to fill my name and this is mine, as you can see here. But that referral code at the down there, if my own is in the description below, so you can copy it and use it. When you use it, both of us will get free 3,500 naira when you register on this page. Yeah, you will get free 3,500 and I will have 3,500 on this page. So once you put it there, you just click on continue. Then it's going to continue. It's going to load up like this as it's loading up. Now I will prompt you to verify your email. Say please enter the code sent to your email. So I'm going to open my email now and to see that code that has been sent to my email. So this is my email and this is the code here 112324. This is my own code here. So I'm going to get this code right now. So I'm going to copy it and take it back to the Geegpay Africa. So I'm going to take it back there now. So as you can see, I've copied it and I'm here, so I just have to paste it now. As you can see, so I just paste it up and the thing has been pasted and it's loading here to verify it. So I just have to wait for the verification. So as you can see, the account has been created. Wow, it's a very easy one, right? But before you can use this account, you need to really verify your details, and you can see their rates of buying and selling dollar. To buy dollar is 684, while selling is 696. Pound is 773 and selling is 830, and euro is 760 for buying and selling is 730 for selling. So that's their rate here. It's come somewhat cheap and compared to some of other sites in which you can buy dollar and sell dollar. So to verify your account, what I want you to do is that you should click on that menu part at the top there. As you can see, that's Geegpay. You see the menu part there. As you can see at the top part there, that is this one I'm talking about here. This menu part. Okay, so once you just click on it, it's going to open this page. So I want you to click on account. So once you click on the account part, it's going to ask you to create a virtual account. Yeah, so you click on create a virtual account. So once you click on create a virtual account, it's going to say you that prompt a message that complete your profile setup to get back accounts. So you have to follow the details in the below section where they ask you to update your profile while completing your details and to verify your identity. That's this part here. Yes, to verify your identity. So you need to update your profile and verify your identity. So first of all, I'll click on update the profile. So it's loading. So here they will ask you for your country, your state, your street, your postal code, your city, individual, or your occupation. So I want you to leave that account type as individual. The setup type, just leave it as individual. Then you click on the continue section. So when you click on continue, it's going to take you, okay, there you upload a proof of your address, either your utility bill, you understand, your utility bill or your dustbin bill or any of them. Then you click on the personal next, take you to the personal. No, I've already get my account, so I don't want to create a multiple account. So as you click on the personal information, it will ask you for your name. As you can see, mine is ERNEST, the surname, last name is GABRIEL, and your nationality, mine is Nigeria. Your current Zyto is optional, your date of birth and everything. So you just have to fill it there. For my case, I've already done my account setup. So once you have completed all this, they're going to ask for your identity card, which is you can use your national identity key, your BVN, sorry, not your BVN, your voter's card or your NIN. I actually use the NIN has actually worked well on this side. So next of all, once you have get everything set up, okay, I want you to be doing this. Once everything has been set up, then you have to click on, okay, this is my account now. It took me over, I think, 3 hours or 4 hours to get verified. It's not too long, not even up to a day. I was verified in this site, and you can see that I've even started making transaction. So I will show you how you can get your card right now. how you can get your card. So first of all, you click on the account section. Okay, first of all, click on the menu bar at that top part there. So you now scroll down to account. So once you click on account, this is my account already. I've gotten a dollar account, a euro account, a pounds account, as you can see. So I've get all of these accounts already. So once you have get it, click on create account to get an account set up. So once you click on create account, it will ask you choose your currency. So you choose either euro, pounds, or USD accounts. For my case, I've already get this account, so I will not be creating. So to get card, you have to click on the card, which is card, as you can see there. So once you click on the card, it's going to open here. As you can see, this is my card already, and I just bought this card. I actually bought this card with 3,000 something, the money I actually get from the person that referred me to the site. So I did not even add any money, so it's like it's free. I got this card for free. It's very easy. So once you are here, we ask you to get card, so just need to add card, and that's all. You make the payment and everything set up has been done. Immediately I have this card and my full details has been set up. So this card, you can use it to verify your Google console account because it's having your name and you understand everything. So this advantage of this account now is that you can use the domiciliary account, use the dollar account to receive payment from Google, Admob, 8 cents, or even your blog from YouTube. You understand? While you can use the dollar card to pay international payment. You know, Nigeria card does not support more than $20. It's $20 limit, so you need an international card. So this card will be best for you. You actually have I think you can actually spend more without even limits here in this very card. So this one is very easy to use. So if you want to know more about Admob 8 cents, I'll be doing a video on YouTube too on how to make money from it. Check other of our YouTube videos. You'll be getting more good information about it. And if you have any question regarding to the video, you can actually shout me up on WhatsApp or Telegram. I'm always active on Telegram. Then I will give you a reply for that. So do well to subscribe to our channel if this video was really helpful. Like and drop a comment section on how helpful this video was. And don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.